Hube is basically a beautiful place, nestled at a beautiful rocky portion, the other side of Kejakuno, where many of us are yet to explore it. And also, I'm very happy to take you on a trekking trail today. I can't wait to take you guys to this very place, and I'm very lucky to have this guy, Nagamano Production, along with me. So yes, let's go and have fun. Look guys, right here we are at the base point of Hube, and from Chida to Hube we're going, and we're anticipating so much many exciting things that are going to be witnessed today. And I think it should not take us more than 35 minutes from the base point at Chida to Hube. Hube is basically a beautiful place, nestled at a beautiful rocky portion, the other side of Kejakuno, where many of us are yet to explore it. And also, I'm very happy to take you on a trekking trail today. We will be experiencing along the route some resting points, some bridges traditionally built by our youth members, villagers, and also we expect to see camping site where a picnic can be done, a family meeting, a family gathering, or any sort of programs. And also we also have the rhododendron groves that is naturally beautifully available at this the other side of this jungle too. And along with that, we will be experiencing many caves, one of which is the AZPIZO and our NNC former leaders that came during one of those Naga nationalism at the peak of that. And also we have this very organic spring where the water is so pure that it tastes so delicious, and I'm sure that will guarantee you another experience. And we have this waterfall, and so
American Hube Hushiwaletu Guanishna Rasta de Niaja Hisholatu American on the way, traditional bridges can be as Aro American last site on the trekking last site valley can be in a green valley can be shares. So Kokon Ahene Nia nature lote Spain more lemon now live Hawa fresh Hawa lemon as a visual Hube Hushiwaletu bridges can be as a site there bridge Eklana Hoine Taila family park as American Kumba camping Takeula as a camping site there, so camping Kurulamon Tagando, Tatabi came to Takeula Parua.
So I can't wait to take you guys to this very place, and I'm very lucky to have this guy, Nagamano Production, along with me. So yes, let's go and have fun. So guys, here right now we are at Chahaku Pu. Chahaku is the name of the river, and Pu is the Kozala term for bridge. The natural flow of the stream, and a tributary of this. As you go down the slope, down the stream, it gets bigger and bigger, and is one of the tributaries of Shidzu and Zuli. So yes. So just en route the trekking trail, we have a camping site, a retreat site, kindred nature as we have named it. They say that time spent among trees is never time wasted. So this is a perfect place for things to happen. Bring your beloved, bring your near and dear ones, your family members. You can get all the materials, camp tents, anything. We have a place for fire also. We have tree swings, and then just some place to spend around. So just come, have a good time here, and then just visit this place. I would say it's It's just awesome.
So guys, after about 20 to 25 minutes right here, this is called Hube ground. Hube as in Hube Taza in Kazakh language, Kozale. And this is the ground that maybe 2-3 decades ago, maybe more than that, where our elders, our generation above ahead of us had this youth brigade area youth brigade and youth convention that used to take place. This is another retreating spot, a picnic spot where people can gather here, have their leisure time, and also make the best use of this nature's beauty. And tomorrow we are going to have a lot of activities on this, traditional activities like Zochika, that is in English we call it long jump. And then we have this Luka, that is Ludeka, that is like slingshot. So more of the other activities are towards that main Hube rocky portion side, where we also have other exciting places like also importance of based on our Nagaland nationalism, where our senior president NNC Zashe Hure and also Ajit Pizo once hauled up there and came there. So as of now you can see the scenic beauty of this Hube, and we have this traditional Kechike hut that built by our youth and our villagers, and some tree tops are also here. So make the best. You can go around, have a leisure time to yourself, all at your own luxury. And yes, carry on, let us go to the next place.
Hello everyone. At the backdrop you can see the wonderful, the beautiful scenic view of Kejakino village, Lishimi village, Lewoza, JNV, and these are the, and that is the view of Kohima. These are the paddy fields. It has been harvested already. This is the viewpoint. I am at the top of the Hube cave, and this is the point where we call as Zango Kolode Bay. In English, mirror courting point. During the old days, this was a place where the young people, unmarried people would come here, and then they would take mirrors, and then young lovers would court each other. And this way, now the sun is it's gleaming out here, so they would court each other here. Especially the men folk, they would come here, and then they would point towards the village, and they would point at the house of the particular woman whom he is in love with. So he would court like this, just showing that he is here. And this would be the place where during this people's festival, as you can see here in the banner, Musakaha, war cry yodeling. The competition is going to be on the 4th of December. So there will be many participants here. They will stand here at this point, and then they would make the war cry. So the judges will come, and then the best war cry yodeling, they will be awarded with a cash prize. So invite you all to this very place, and also enjoy the beautiful place of Kejakino village. And yeah. So with this, let us proceed on ahead with the next destination. Let us move on towards the natural waterfall and the natural caves. Come, let's go and see.
Okay, so friends, we're heading towards, this is the cave where during the early phase of Naga national movement, AJ Pizo, chairman of NNC, Zashe Hure, president, federal government of Nagaland, and others camped in this cave. So you can just see, you can just come and walk around and see for yourself. It's quite a fascinating place.
So guys, Satigan Baigan, let us move on towards the natural waterfall and the natural caves. Chalo. Itu diabetes thakian, hypertension thakian. This is the best walk. If we go here, so these are all prepared by the youths of the village. You can feel the natural air, the best air. It's quite fresh here. Ini aja. As you can see, the rocks century is not Hagewala, and then there is another hive, rock bee. Rock bee la gora je. Opore side, that is the rock bee. There we can see 3-4 hives. It is season time. Hidden treasure out here. It's a big cave. You can camp over here, make fire, and then have a good time with your near and dear ones. Some places. So those are the war cry, the youths out here. So heading to another cave yet again. You can see the steep rocks. If we go down, you can see the bamboo grooves. So the natural. This is another cave out here. Another place where you can come and witness at the legendary village Kejekeno, or the so-called the Kozabomis. Yeah. So we can natural spring water though. We can see a view of the natural spring water dripping out of the rocks. It's fresh, natural. So let us go and see how it tastes like. So it's the purest form of water, natural, original. This is what nature has to give to us. So this is the source I've been telling you about, the natural water dripping out of the rocks. It's chilled, it's fresh. Ini khawe dabai nai hoje upai nai. Chalo. Joshua khai sabi. So this is the natural water. It's quite freezing, very fresh, and then I'm told it has a wonderful taste. So my friend Josh out here is going to try. So it's quite cold, I believe. So folks, I hope you have enjoyed the view of the Hube cave and the Chida resort. So it is a sincere request to come and witness what nature has to give to us, the best gift that we can witness. Come and enjoy the caves, the waterfall, the wonderful spring water gushing out of the rocks, and also the trekking trails as you have just witnessed. It's just about 30 to 40 minutes walk from the main Chida resort, and also Chida resort, it's about 54-55 kilometers away from the state capital. And then the best time to visit here would be November and December. And if you want to witness the beautiful rhododendron blooming, as you have seen the rhododendron groves just out here in the trekking trail, you may come during April, May. That would be the best time to visit the Chida resort and also Kejakeno village, and also come witness the legendary village, Kejakeno village. You can see many historical sites in this village, and also just a time away from your busy life. Please come and enjoy the event. Thank you. Kalata.
Okay, so right now I'm here with Mr. Nukhet Somero, President Keja Kuja Tepe Public Organization. Tai ite hubede ahi kine birai kine KM Khan explore kurine ahi ase. He's looking a bit tired also. You can see some sweats. Acha sir, ami han janilo mon thake to apni itu explore kore to what is your experience? Kinina thakise? Itu klop hunibole mon ase sir.
Hey, Ishur Nambra, Ajibishi, Kismat Balase. He do trekking routes, looking Birado. I mean, last day, Niga experience Pana. Aru, jungle de Jado. Bishi, Gishim, nature, trees, grass. Itu can be, Aru, itu, rookie portion can be, Aru, waterfall, Aru, itu, Ani, Pani, Jama Gurugin Taka, Aru. Itu pathor rookie portion bara dam small quantity ekta waterfall ahado itu khalebi khasadu monde adam thanda gurugin mon sup aram gurugin ahe aru itu manu jaha kurbo na para jaga debi itu use khanto mon digin itu ladder banagin rakhi ase handle khan banase kono holibi bacha holibi aru bura buri holibi itu ahibo na para la rostana sob jagate itu safety measure gurkin rakhi ase aru tate pola 1956 itu amakhan area de gor julatante itu pizo amakhan la nation father aru itu Zashe Hure NNC president aru itu Mao chief Mao itu kan la kembi agin rookie person de ta kan huma la jaga aru itu views agin itu gor jula kan dikhigin mondu pagin gor khan tu sob julishe ite thakelebi ki khabo kugin yapara relocate dosa jaga de ja itu kan jaga sob sagin beshi khushi pashe aru moido burabi alo bhose aru thinbi alo bikhagin alo shuru tande hola jabola mon na honisna থাকি আসলে কিন্তু যাইকিন কিসিম কিসিম দেখিকিন আহিছে আৰু মন একদম শান্তি হৈছে আৰু ইতিটো হলো মই ফ্ৰী পৰা ইটো থিন খান বি বিখাবি না জানিকিন ইতিটো একদম আৰাম বি পাগিন মন খুশি কৰিকিন ৰিটাৰ্ণ আহিছে দে
We are KKTPO team, and we are very fortunate to have visited these sites. We have visited, some amazing caves and trekking routes. Those are, some of the best trekking routes, I believe. And we have gone through, so many amazing experiences also. Spring source, those are, in terms of taste also, it was very soft and very tasty. And, the Piso cave, that is also one of the best site, I believe. The views above that site also, it was quite good. And we have really enjoyed, and it was an amazing experience. Thank you.